Welcome back friends, and if you are playing a game and you want to adjust the sensors of your mobile, in this video I am going to tell you how to calibrate the acceleration sensors of your mobile. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Just go to the Play Store here, just search for Core Spec app and just download it. I have already downloaded it, so I am opening it. One ad will come, just see this ad. Then this screen will come. Here you can see the device model. It is valid for any model, any Android device. So just go to the sensors here, and here I am talking about only accelerometer. Just go to the accelerometer. This accelerometer sensor is available here. Okay, means it is available. This is the name and version and the power and resolution range. You can see the real-time data, it is working or not. See, the lines are moving here and there, it is working, and if it is constant, it is just parallel lines. So accelerometer sensor is there and it is working. Now go back and go to the Google Play Store, and here just search for accelerometer calibrator. Open it, just download it, and now just it will open. It will ask for some permissions. Give that permissions. Move this red circle to in between the square. Just press here. Now it is square. Just recalibrate it. It is calibrating. Don't disturb. You can see it is calibrating. See, detected, analyzing the delays value, analyzing the real-time values, calibrating your accelerometer. And now an ad will come. Just close that ad and see the accelerometer is calibrated successfully. Restart it. So just restart it and play the game and see if there is any difference in the performance of the game or not. That's all. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.